How to change your activity status to online on Discord. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first guys and you open Discord. After this when Discord is opening, here as you see, you will go here and click. Then you will go to set statue and click on it, and then you will change it to online like this. And as you see now, it's changing as you see, so it worked with us. That's it. I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.